Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and super useful way to create a grid in Canva. Perfect if you want to print multiple copies of something like business cards, thank you notes, or tags all on a single sheet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to lay things out so you can save paper and print like a pro. And stick around, because I've got a bonus tip for you at the end that'll make your Canva workflow even smoother. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Canva. If you haven't already, open up your browser and go to canva.com, log into your account or sign up. It's free and only takes a second. Canva's interface is really user-friendly, so don't worry if you're new to it. Now let's start a new project. You'll want to click on Create a Design at the top right of your screen. This is where we tell Canva exactly what size our grid is going to be. Choose Custom Size from the dropdown. For this example, set the dimensions to 200 by 200 pixels. Of course, you can adjust these numbers if you need something larger or smaller, but 200 by 200 is a nice, manageable size for many projects. Once you've set those dimensions, hit Create New Design. This will open a fresh, blank canvas at the size you just specified. Think of this canvas as your digital sheet of paper. Setting the right size up front makes your life so much easier when it comes time to print, because everything will line up just as you intended. Now let's set up our columns so we can place more than one design side by side. Go to the File menu at the top left, then select View Settings, and from there choose Add Guides. Guides act like invisible rulers, helping you arrange everything neatly. If you've ever hung a picture using a level, you'll know how helpful those lines can be. Opt for the custom setting in the Guides panel and set the number of columns to 2. This splits your canvas into 2 equal sections with a perfectly straight line in between. It's a small detail that ensures your designs don't overlap or look uneven, which happens more often than you'd think if you're eyeballing it. Once you're set, go ahead and add the guides to your layout. With our setup done, let's get creative. Find a template you like from the side panel. You can use Canva's built-in searches or start from scratch if that's more your style. Click on your chosen design element or template, and once it's in place, it's time to make a copy so you can fill that second column. Simply click on the template, then hit Ctrl and the letter D on your keyboard. That's Ctrl+D. This is Canva's shortcut for duplicating an element. If you're on a Mac, just use Command+D. Now drag your duplicated copy over to the other side of the grid. Using the guides you set up, place each design neatly in its column. Don't stress if it's not perfectly aligned on the first try. The guides will help snap your templates right into place. It usually takes just a gentle nudge and you'll see everything lining up beautifully. That's basically it. You've got 2 perfectly aligned, ready to print designs per page, and you're all set to print multiple copies with ease. And here, that bonus tip I promised. If you need to make more columns or add rows for even more copies, just repeat these steps, adjusting your custom size and the number of guides. This works for 3, 4, even 6 designs per page. It's incredibly flexible. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop any questions or requests in the comments. I love hearing what you're making. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.